we have an A plus setup on Nasdaq 100 giving us a 1 to 26 risk to reward ratio. So make sure you watch till the very end as I show you everything before this plays out right here. So you can see that we have a very nice rally based drop supply zone with break of structure, liquidity, and a massive candle that was left behind right here. And do you know what this means? This usually means that there's a lot of unfulfilled orders at this level right there. So what we have to do is just wait for this price action to reach our zone right here, and then you'll be able to make a decision whether to actually sell or to just stay out right here. Otherwise, this looks amazing. You can see this was made up of big momentum candles, so I had to go to the lower time frame and find my order block at that particular level, and then I just wait for the market to pull back into this area. And then once the market comes here, I'll make a conscious decision whether to actually sell or not, depending on the price action right there. Okay, so you can see it's really clean and straightforward at A plus setup right here. We have a consolidation, we have a break of structure by big momentum candles, and then we have a lot of liquidity which is forming right here. So you can see that we had this high right here, we had this high, we had this high, and then also this high is corresponding to the high of the Asian session. And what's going to happen is that the market is most likely going to take out the Asian session, potential to come into our area, and then we'll be able to make a decision to actually execute this particular trade. The stop loss is 22 pips and the target is 580 pips right here. Now let's go to the higher time frame to be able to understand the higher time frame narrative right here. So you can see that right here, we've saw the market actually going to the upside for a long time, right? We've seen the market push into the upside. But what did we have when the market came to this level right here? So you can see it was creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, and then it created a higher low, right? So once the market breaks this level right here, it's very interesting because it tells you that there's a potential shift of market direction. And then after this, the market went again, broke this level right here and created a new higher high. Okay, we created a new higher high at this level right there. However, what happened after that? The market decided to actually break this level right here. Okay, meaning changing everything from an uptrend to a downtrend. And then right now, what we're going to do is just wait for the market to come to this zone right here, which is the first zone after the break of structure. And you can see that these levels right here have been touched, and the level that has not been touched is this level right here. So for now, we're just waiting for the market to pull back into this fresh zone right here, which has not been mitigated, and then we're going to make a decision to actually sell right here. Remember, we are selling because there has been a change of character on the higher time frame and also on the lower time frame. And right now, all we have to do is just wait for the market to give us its hand faced before we can actually execute. This is a 1 to 26 risk to reward ratio, an absolutely beautiful trade right here. So don't miss out. Check the link down in the description so that you actually get involved when we actually execute this particular trade. All right, so you guys, see you later.